Hey, hi all. Welcome back to Beer and Knowledge Center. And in this today's session, we'll talk about multi-level inheritance. So as part of inheritance types in C Sharp, the second inheritance is multi-level inheritance. So what is a multi-level inheritance? When one class inherits another class, which is further inherited by another class, right? It is known as multi-level inheritance. So don't please mark please note down here. Multiple inheritance is not going to be achieved directly in C sharp. Multiple inheritance is different. Multi-level inheritance is different. Now we're talking about multi-level here. We'll talk about multiple inheritance in the coming sessions once we have explained and have an idea on interfaces. Then we'll look into multiple inheritance. Now in this parent topic was multi-level. That means when one class inherits another class, which is further inherited by another class, this complete scenario was multi-level inheritance. Let me define the definition here. When one class, right? When one class inherits another class, which is further, right, inherited by right another class. It is known as multi-level inheritance. Got it? For example, right? So I have a class called animal. This is my class. Got it? Let me create into, go back to C sharp syntax. Let me create in similar way. So I have animal class, right? Instead of animal class, right? I have a method called public, right? Void, right? That is eat, right? Simple method I'm writing here. And inside of this, I'm writing right line of, right? The animal is eating. I'm closing here. And similarly, I have another class called mammal, right? And inside of this class, right, I have another method of y type that is, right, walk. And instead of this class, right, I'm going to print right line, right? The animal is walking, right? And another class I have called dog, right? Which is having again one more method, right? Of y type, public, y. This is kind of, bark. Inside of this, I'm having right line method saying that the dog is barking. Got it? So these are the classes basically I have it. Okay. The animal is eating, sorry, this here, the mammal is walking, right? And here, dog is barking. Animal is a common, right, class for mammal and dog. Mammal is kind of animal which is eating and walking and no barking, right? So animal should derive into here because all these kind of mammals and dogs are animals. So animal having a method is eat. That means every animal is eating. So I have this method. I need this method should be derived into further classes. Hence I need to inherit. And again, I need to be inherit animal into here, and I need to inherit this mammal into dog because dog is an animal or a kind of mammal, right? It's going to walk, it's going to eat, and it's going to bark, right? That means a single class is derived into derived class. Further, this derived class is again deriving into another class. This is a multi-level inheritance. Okay. So if you do this, right, and going to your Visual Studio, and if you look at the demonstration part here, so let me, replace the stuff and having these classes like animal, mammal, and dog, right? Here, I'm going to create object for the dog. that is the latest class. And then instead of this method, I have first is eat, right? I have next is no walk, right? And I have next is what? Bark. When I run this, right, it is going to invoke first eat. Sorry, error something. Okay, it should be semicolon, right? When I run this, you will see animal is eating, mammal is walking, dog is walking. That means this animal is imported or derived in here. Again, mammal is derived in here. Hence, I can see the series of steps are going to be invoked when I invoke from the dog object or dog class. This is what, a kind of multiple inheritance. Okay, this is multi-level inheritance. That means the class is derived once, right? And further, same class is derived into another class. Here, animal is derived here into mammal. Mammal is derived into dog, right? When one class inherits another class, which is further inherited by another class. Got it? It is known as multi-level inheritance. Okay. I hope you understood what is multi-level inheritance and the demonstration part is sharp. Thanks for listening to this video and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.